Okie dokie, welcome back to Where's Lara Now, and as you can tell from my background, I'm at home, and today's video, based off of the photo that you see when you clicked on this video, it's gonna be about food. First off, I didn't put something in the video because I wanted to surprise you guys. So one of my besties, her boyfriend is a radio engineer, and he works for USC. And anyways, a couple weeks ago, they were giving out merchandise. Coca-Cola was. I don't know if you know where I'm going with this. But look what they brought me home. Hold on one second. Check it out. I have a Pib hat. Yep, Pib hat. Pib hat. Yeah, so I have a Pib hat. I was very excited. And so, by the way, my sister and my daughter were not happy that I got a Pib hat. But anyways, I got a Pib hat. And so I'm going to wear my hat. And as you saw, I have some tastings. I finally acquired the Doritos for Stranger Things. And today is... what is today? Today is Sunday. So Stranger Things dropped Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4 days ago. Did any of you all watch it? Oh my goodness. It was crazy. I didn't get a chance to watch it till it dropped here in California at 5 p.m. I didn't get to watch it until 10 p.m. that evening. And I stayed up till after 2 to watch it. And actually, I wish I had recorded me watching it because it was pretty funny. At one point, my husband came out. It was probably around 1:45 in the morning because I thought I wasn't screaming that loud, but I was screaming pretty loud. And he thought I was being attacked. So anyways, and that was at the end. I won't tell you what part it was. Unless you've already watched Stranger Things, you would know that it's season 5, episode 4. And it was at the end. And yeah, so anyways, he thought I was being attacked. And anyways, continue on. So, and then at my work, my sister tried these out at Planet J. Judah. We got these at work, and I thought, I'll try them out too. So, sour Skittles Pop freeze-dried candy. And this is original Skittles Pop freeze-dried candy. And then, I'm not sure how good this is going to be. But I picked this up at Knott's. I think it was on Tuesday. So yeah, not sure how good it's going to be. I'll taste it because I didn't try it. I came home, I don't know. Anyways, so... Let's get started. I'm gonna cut everything and then do some taste testing. Okay, so everything is open. Because I don't want the other things to ruin the flavor, I'm gonna do the Doritos first. Ooh, smells interesting. So the Doritos collisions is the Stranger Things pizza and Cool Ranch. And ever since Cool Ranch was invented, I've loved Cool Ranch. So I can see one is Cool Ranch and one is the pizza. So let me try the pizza first. Oh, that's kind of weird. Oh, it's a very spicy pizza. But that's kind of weird eating a Doritos, but it's pizza flavored. And then Cool Ranch, come on, that's the best. It's hard to tell. Those ones were, okay, I think this is the pizza and this is the Cool Ranch. So let's eat them together. I have to say, these are excellent. 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 Okay, hold on a second. Okay, we're back on. All right, I had to cleanse my palate. I didn't want you watching me cleanse my palate with my water. So now we're gonna go to the original freeze-dried Skittles. I mean, they smell like a sweeter version of the Skittles. I don't know if something happens when you freeze dry them. They're definitely easier to eat, that's for sure. Let's try the sour. Yeah, definitely not as fruity. Here's a clump. So we'll take a clump. Mmm. Oh. Excuse me. Hold on one second. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Maybe not take a clump. I think there was like 4 attached. Yeah. Whoa. Ooh. So that was the sour Skittle Pops. Popped. Freeze-dried candy. Trying to kill me. Okay, like I said, I don't know how good this is going to be. I mean, it was... Oh. Actually, this is really good. Oh my. Way to go, Knott's Berry Farm. Marshmallows dipped in... Oops, sorry. Hold on. Okay, sorry. That was the timer. I'm making... Well, technically it's Sunday right now, but I call it Black Friday casserole. And I should have recorded, but I didn't. Anyways, I'll get back to this. It doesn't look very pretty, honestly. But as my granddaughter used to say, that's alicious, Grandma. This is alicious. So, that being said, if you live near Knott's Berry Farm and you're a pass holder, definitely go check those out. They're Butterfinger dipped marshmallows. Delicious. The sour Skittles freeze-dried candy tried to kill me by choking me. The original are very fruity. And those Doritos, when you eat them together, perfection. So, anyways, hope you like my pip hat. And thank you for watching this really short video that I've been putting off. I don't know why, but I did. But anyways, please like this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. It's not that hard to do. Just click that little thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. I do stuff like this, or most of the times I'm doing stuff outside, going places. I have quite a few fun things planned for tomorrow that'll spread out through the coming week and beyond. So yeah, like my video, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you'll get notifications, and remember, adventure is always out there.